So we have this measles file, which is here. Now we could either just copy and paste it, which would probably work, although as I saw in an earlier video, it's worth checking it hasn't all gone haywire. So here is an empty spreadsheet. What happens if we paste it? It's fine. Very good. You could also, if you want to try that, where's it gone? You could take the URL, put the URL there, and do equals import HTML, and tell it what the URL is, and then comma, and write table, so it knows what to look for, and then tell it one, I think, so it takes the first table, and then it will say you're trying to import data, so you can say that's okay. Oh, there we go. So that actually imports it live from the internet, from the web address. But we need to look at this. Okay, I'm going to delete all of this because we only need it once. So we need to visualize some aspect of this. We have got a total by age, which we could do. We could do a donut chart to show how the breakdown divides by the age groups. We have got a total for the regions. Why do we not have a total for Yorkshire? Oh, because I didn't copy it correctly. 3362 are the missing ones. And we can just add this in, equals sum, should be 30, yes. And then if we drag this over, should be 362. Okay, so we have numbers for the regions. We should probably make a map. But we could also make a donut chart. Okay, so how would we make a map? I would take this data and I would remove what we don't need. So I just pasted it in it. I'm going to delete the rows. We've got a total. And I'm hoping, oh, we lost Yorkshire because it was a calculation based on the others. So I'll just write it in and 362. So I don't want the total. We don't need this. This is the data we need. Now that's assuming we get a map in Data Wrapper that can deal with that, but I think we will. And it may also be in the wrong direction. It may be going across when it needs to go down. So let's go and make a choropleth map. What are we looking for? England regions, that's it, isn't it? England regions. Let's try that. Proceed. Add your data. Paste your data here. Okay, it didn't like that, as expected. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. I'm going to select this, copy it, and then I'm going to paste, edit, paste special, which we saw before if you were just looking for the numbers and you didn't want all the calculations. But we're going to ask for transposed. And so now we have them in this direction, which I think might work better. So let's try pasting that in. Oh, which doesn't have a row. It doesn't have a header row. Okay, which, let's try that again. Okay, so this is region, and this is number of cases. Okay, so we select all of that, copy it, and try pasting it here, and try putting that in. Okay. doesn't like Yorkshire. There we go. It has Yorkshire and the Humber, which we can accept. We said that's fine. It doesn't like East of England because it has, oh, that looks strange. Okay, we'll take it. Oh, there we go. So we can see our map is coming together. So that now, is it correct? Yorkshire's 30, West Midlands is 157. Yorkshire and the Humber is 30, West Midlands is 157. London is 126. Okay, it's quite effective at suggesting there's a problem in the West Midlands. Another option for this would have been to take the totals by age category and see what ages are being affected. So I'll get rid of all of that. So age category, and then let's not call it total, let's call it number of cases. We can take these. All right, let's see what happens if we drop this into create new chart. So it's got categories, which is text, and it's got numbers. Good. Now we have a total, which may be, I have a feeling that may be a bad idea. If we ask for a donut chart, yeah, okay, that was a bad idea. We shouldn't have total in there. Let's see if we can just delete it here. There we go. That's more like it. Now the important bit here is probably for donut charts, the grouping. They're only giving us 5 of the categories. So if we make that 10, we'll get all of them. We might want to make it something, we might want 1 to 4, 5 to 10. Oh, it's not in order either. It would be nice. So here under donut slices, sort by, we can keep the order. So you see under 1, 1 to 4, 5 to 10, 11 to 14, 15 to 19, and then I think maybe we'll make everything else other. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually 5 labels is just right. So now we have those 5, and then we have just everything else bundled into other for the people who are older than 14. So that's working. Those are 2 charts that you can make with that data.